Dortmund is one of the largest cities in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany, with a population of over 600,000 residents. The city has a rich industrial history, particularly in coal and steel production, which contributed significantly to the German economy during the 19th and 20th centuries. Borussia Dortmund, the city's famous football club, was founded in 1909 and has a passionate fan base, known for their Yellow Wall at Signal Iduna Park. Signal Iduna Park, formerly known as Westfalenstadion, is the largest stadium in Germany and has a seating capacity of over 81,000 spectators. Dortmund is located in the heart of the Ruhr area, which is one of the most densely populated regions in Europe. The city is known for its vibrant cultural scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and galleries, including the Museum of Art and Art History. Dortmund is home to the world's largest beer festival, the Dortmund Beer Festival, which celebrates the city's brewing heritage. The city has a unique blend of modern and historical architecture, with the iconic Rheinolde dating back to the 13th century. Dortmund's Westfalenpark is one of the largest urban parks in Germany, featuring beautiful gardens, a rose garden, and a viewing tower with panoramic views of the city. The city was heavily bombed during World War II, leading to significant destruction, but many historic buildings have since been restored. Dortmund is known for its innovative technology and research institutions, including the Technical University of Dortmund, which focuses on engineering and natural sciences. The city has a thriving music scene, hosting various festivals and events, including the popular Juicy Beats Festival. Dortmund boasts a strong culinary scene, with traditional dishes like currywurst and doner kebab being popular among locals and visitors alike. The city's Christmas market is one of the largest in Germany, attracting thousands of visitors each year with its festive stalls and local crafts. Dortmund is part of the European Route of Industrial Heritage, showcasing its historical significance in the Industrial Revolution. The city has a diverse population, with a significant number of immigrants contributing to its multicultural atmosphere. Dortmund's U-Tower, a former brewery, has been transformed into a cultural center, housing a museum, galleries, and event spaces. The city is known for its green spaces, with over 1,000 parks and recreational areas, making it an attractive place for outdoor enthusiasts. Dortmund hosts the annual Dortmund International Beer Festival, celebrating the city's brewing traditions and featuring local breweries. The Westfalenhallen is a major exhibition and conference center, hosting events ranging from trade fairs to concerts. Dortmund's economy is diversifying, with a growing focus on technology, healthcare, and logistics industries. The city is home to the Dortmund Zoo, which features over 1,500 animals from around the world and is a popular destination for families. Dortmund's local transportation system includes an extensive network of trams and buses, making it easy to navigate the city. The city has a strong commitment to sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting green energy. Dortmund is known for its vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues catering to a variety of tastes. The city's central market square, the Alter Market, is a bustling hub of activity, featuring shops, restaurants, and outdoor cafes. Dortmund has a rich football culture, with rivalries not only within the Bundesliga but also with international teams, particularly during European competitions. The city hosts the annual Dortmund Food Festival, showcasing local cuisine and culinary talents from the region. Dortmund's technology park is a hub for startups and innovation, attracting entrepreneurs and investors from around the world. The city has a well-preserved medieval city wall, remnants of which can still be seen in various parts of Dortmund. Dortmund is known for its commitment to arts and culture, with a dedicated budget for promoting local artists and cultural initiatives. The city has several historical breweries, some of which date back to the 14th century, showcasing its brewing legacy. Dortmund's Friedenbaum Park is a popular spot for picnics and outdoor activities, featuring beautiful walking trails and playgrounds. The city has a thriving startup ecosystem, with numerous incubators and accelerators supporting young entrepreneurs. Dortmund is known for its annual Dortmund Marathon, attracting runners from around the world to participate in this popular event. The city's nightlife is particularly vibrant in the Südviertel district, known for its trendy bars and clubs. Dortmund's Brewery Museum offers visitors a glimpse into the city's long-standing brewing tradition and history. The city is home to several universities and research institutions, making it a hub for education and innovation. Dortmund's Kreuzviertel area is known for its charming streets, cafes, and independent boutiques, attracting both locals and tourists. The city has a strong commitment to preserving its historical sites, with many buildings undergoing restoration to maintain their architectural integrity. Dortmund is known for its impressive street art scene, with murals and installations scattered throughout the city. The city's Dortmund EMS Canal is a popular spot for boating and recreational activities, offering a scenic escape from urban life. Dortmund has a diverse range of festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from music to food to culture. The city's Hohenzollernberg ruins offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape and are a popular destination for hikers. Dortmund is recognized for its commitment to public art, with various installations and sculptures displayed throughout the city. The city has a significant student population, contributing to its lively atmosphere and cultural diversity. Dortmund's local cuisine includes specialties such as Reibkuchen, potato pancakes, and Pfefferpothast, beef stew. The city is home to the Dortmund Christmas Garden, a magical light display that attracts visitors during the holiday season.